Hello friends, good morning and welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I will quickly show you how to create Azure Machine Learning Workspace. Now, without making any delay, what I'll do, I'll navigate to the Azure portal, that is portal.azure.com, and there I will log into the portal and I will show you the complete step there. Okay, now let me navigate there. Now you can able to see I have already logged into my Azure portal, and here what you need to do, you need to search for Azure Machine Learning. You can able to see this is the search result. You can just click on the search result Azure Machine Learning, which is under services, right? Click on that. The moment you will do that, you will see this create drop down, right? Just click on that and click on new workspace. And then on the basics tab, you need to enter few details like you need to select the subscription. So I'll select this one, my default subscription, and then here you can either choose an existing resource group, or you can also click on the create new button and provide a name for your new resource group and click on OK. You want to create a new resource group. Okay. Now, what you need to do on the workspace details section, you need to provide a name for the workspace, Azure Machine Learning Workspace. I will say Azure ML WP, and then what you can do, you need to choose the region. I will just say ETS. I will choose ETS. Okay. Now, here are some important points. You need to, create a storage account before that. And you can just, or you can also click on the create new link to create a new storage account. You can just provide the name of the storage account and the replication type. Okay. And you can just click save button, and you can just click on the save button to create a new storage account. Okay. If you don't want to, create a new one, you can also default option you can use. What it will do, it will create a new storage account with the name whatever you provided as a workspace with some, appended ID and all, right? Default IDs. Okay, with starting with the new. Uh, okay, same way for the key vault also. If you want, you can use your existing key vault, or you can also use this default option, whatever it is going to by default create based on the name of your Azure Machine Learning Workspace, or else you can just click on the create new and provide a name for your keyboard and save it. That will also create a new keyboard for you. Okay, and then application inside same way. Either you can use the default one, or you can choose the existing one, or you can also create new one by clicking on the create new application inside, providing a name and click on the save button. Okay. So now these are the mandate things that you need, okay, on the basics tab. Now you can just click on the next column networking tab. Here you can choose this public one, okay, and then you can move to the encryption. If you want to encrypt data using a customer managed key, you can just select it based on your requirement, but I actually don't need this. Okay, now you can move to the next tab, identity, by clicking on the next column identity button. Okay, here you can choose either you want credential based access or identity based access. Okay, I need the default one, and you also select this high business impact workspace if you want based on your requirement. Anyway, these are optionals. Okay, and then what you can do, you can click on the next tag option. You can add some tags, key and values, and name and values if you want. Okay, I don't need this, so I'm not going to choose anything here. Now, what you can do, you can just click on the review plus create button. Okay, and the moment you'll do that, what it will do, it will system will validate all the data entered by you, whether they are correct or not. Once these all the data are perfect, it will show you validation passed. And if there are any error, you will see the error details here. And then you can just click on the previous button and you can go to the each tab and fix those errors, right? Select the perfect option. And then, as you can see, for us, all the data whatever you have entered are correct. So validation is passed now, and finally you will see the create button once the validation is passed. Okay. If there are any error, you won't able to see this create button enabled, right? So now finally what you need to do is just click on the create button, and what it will do, it will start the deployment. Behind the scene, it will do so many things, deploy so many things, and finally it will show you that the deployment is completed. Let's wait for that. It will just take few seconds to do that. You're able to see the deployment is in progress now, and you will see the details, deployment details here. All the components you can able to see it here. Now you can able to see your deployment is complete, and what you can do, you can click on the Go to Resource button to navigate to the resource that we have created now. Okay, you can able to see this is the Azure Machine Learning Workspace that we have created just now, which is created successfully. Okay, so this is how you can create an Azure Machine Learning Workspace in Azure portal. So that's it for today. I thought to quickly show you how you can create an Azure Machine Learning Workspace in Azure portal, and these are the steps you need to follow to do that. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found this video little helpful for you, kindly subscribe to our channel so that you'll get lots of free Azure tips, helpful Azure PowerShell commands, as well as helpful Azure CLI commands. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. Bye bye.